Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Fundrise for crowdfunding, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type Fundrise into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Fundrise website link. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will need to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password and enter it in the password field. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email. Open your email inbox to find the verification email from Fundrise. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Fundrise website. Now log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name and address. You may also need to answer a few questions regarding your investment experience. Once your profile is complete, click Continue to proceed. Next, review the investment options available to you. Choose the investment plan that best suits your needs. Carefully read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you understand the terms, click the Agree button. Now, you'll need to fund your account. Enter your bank account details for ACH transfer. Decide on the amount you wish to invest and enter that amount. Confirm your investment and funding details. Review all the information to ensure it is accurate. Finally, click on the Complete Investment button to finalize your setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.